they always shine. So put it down. Love, yeah. If you love someone, say yeah. Say yeah. Give thanks for all the love that you share, Zimbabwe. Took me from the depths when I lost my name. She gave me something I was there for. Now everyone is asking what's the change, and they don't recognize I've got so much to say. Yeah. And when I never got someone, love someone so much, they give up on everything. I know how it leaves someone to tell you that you're beautiful. Alright, well I will be the way you need someone to run with. Yeah. Alright, well I'm in love until the sky is turned gray, babe. Oh, you're beautiful, baby. Come on, because you're beautiful. Oh yes, you're beautiful. Yes, you're beautiful, baby. Oh, yes, you're beautiful. Beautiful. Can I serenade the people of Zimbabwe, please? I thank you very much. Oh, yes, you're beautiful, baby. Zimbabwe beautiful. Zimbabwe beautiful. Zimbabwe beautiful, yeah. Oh, yeah. I know. Cause it ain't easy, protect women from all of the negatives I can say. Listen, so when the enemies come to eat my flesh, they're gonna stumble and fall, shall never feel like it. Hey, and when they come in other tens and thousands, they fall one by one. All Africa, put your hand, put your hand. Come on, Jagaron things, you're here. Jagaron things, we don't fear. Jagaron things and everything nice. Keep my shot in a very less like Jagaron things, you're here. Jagaron things everywhere. The blood of Africa keeps running in my veins. Here from Jamaica, rebellious offspring. I and I got a warrior spirit inside. It will wild, it can't tame. And there's a warrior spirit inside. It comes from the curse of the land trail. I'm a Shaka Zulu, big big. And Kuma, big big. Good talking, big big. It's like Malcolm and Martin and Marcus. Mubare, big big. King Selassie, big big. Hey, my brother, big big. It's like Marty. When you come in the hills, them whip with. First when the whip, I want my country with. Tell them Babylon style of fit me. You are returned until I get no victory. Boy, them like my brother and sister. When we are dance and say we move in this town. Zimbabwe, if you love your cause, put your hands up. Put your hands up. Why? Man, I shall pass you. Hey, Kuma, big big. Good talking, big big. It's like Malcolm and Martin and Marcus. What's my name? Big big. King Selassie. Big big. King Selassie. Big big. It's like Martin and Gandhi and Faraday. The path of freedom fighters live in my brain. Stolen from Africa, when it's not still the same. We got the warrior spirit inside. It's well away, it can't heal. And it's our warrior spirit inside. It comes to make up every shackle and chain. Man, a Shaka Zulu, and Kuma, big big. Good talking, it's like Malcolm and Martin and Marcus. Oh, big big. Bob Marley, big big. And it's alright, big big. It's like Marley and Gandhi and Faraday. If you're feeling alright, put your hands together. Zimbabwe, I'm calling on your name. Oh, I'm not ashamed. If my life is in danger, bless me, bless me. Calling on your name, child. Oh, I'm not ashamed, child. If my life is in danger, bless me, bless me. Hey, when I hold you for something, we got you. Yes, we got you. Yes, we got you. Zimbabwe, you know we love you. You know we love you. We know we love you. And if you love Taurus Ryan, if it's true, put your hands up and let me see you do. And why not for them and pray for the world? 911 does you show them. Calling on your name, child. No, I'm not ashamed, child. And if my life is in danger, bless me, bless me. Calling on your name, child. No, I'm not ashamed, child. If my life is in danger, bless me, bless me. Glorious things are spoken, and my faith has never been broken. There is no cha-cha. Glorious things are spoken, and my faith could never be relaxed. Cha-cha. Only a fool said in his heart, there is no cha-cha. So I'm calling on your name. No, I'm not ashamed. They think my fight is in vain. Bless me, bless me. Calling on your name, child. And I'm not ashamed. They think my fight is in vain. Bless me, bless me. To the team, Rastafari. If you're feeling Irish, say yeah. Can't touch it like lion power. Put up a lion power. Never touch a lion. Lion power. Yeah. Never touch a lion. Lion. Never touch a lion. Cause it can't touch the lion. It's funny with this, and I never been only content at the wilderness. God preserve I, and I ain't all I do. True, lights from the depths, rust up to frustration, and conquer stress. God preserve I, and I ain't all I do. Where they can go back, where they came from. Nobody like who was before. Alright, I tell you that this science might come, because it does hit the lion come. Nobody like who was before. Hey, shall prosper. But no, can't touch the lion. Wait, the things that we live in life. So I keep my meditation and eye in the eye. We weather the storm and put up a fight, cause we can do anything. Rasta, should you feel like giving up, let the strength of Zimbabwe fill your cup. Jah preserve I and guide in all I do. If you have the heart of a lion, say Zimbabwe. If you have the heart of a lion, say we can't ask for workers are in it today. Alright, that's my fire. Ja. Hey, and I'm a how you feeling? Hands up again. Come on. We can't ask for workers of iniquity. Hey, Rastafari. Zimbabwe security. Hey, and I'm a Are you ready to go home? Do you want to leave? Everybody, jump, 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 jump. And he said, what is going to be you then? I said, I don't know that they look at your face in my chair. The police, don't get my shit. What do you say? I can't hear you. What do you say? I still can't hear you. What do you say? Alright, we're nice and nice and nice. Everybody sing, and she's a dangerous woman. Don't you underestimate the power. But she's a dangerous woman. Are you feeling Zimbabwe? Are you feeling Zimbabwe? Responsible. I wanna know who's responsible. I can hear who's responsible. Responsible. You better ask yourself that question. Don't look for someone to put the blame on. When they stole me from Zimbabwe, look how they treat me good. They try to take away my culture and take me for the fool. Zimbabwe, let me tell you, God just really love you. That's why we live in darkness. Oh, yeah. You say you're searching for a friend. Are you a friend yourself? Am I alone on this battlefield? Will you help? And on your search for someone to save you, can you save yourself? So tired you're living in darkness. Come on. Responsible, what you say?
alam mo you around, but there was many ever better. Decide his own destiny, and in this search there is no partiality, no. So my arms with arms, we'll fight this little struggle, Africa, 'cause that's the only way we can overcome the little trouble. Father, you're right, you're right, you're right. So right, so right. We gonna fight, we love to fight, we gonna fight, fighting for life. Hey, I and I really not Zimbabwe. I and I did it. Zimbabwe.
Zimbabwe.
Ayana Sepetina Zimbabwe.
Zimbabwe.
Ayana Naima Zimbabwe.
Zimbabwe.
Atoro Shiny Zimbabwe. No more internal for a struggle. We come together to overcome the little trouble. And soon we'll find out who is the real revolutionaries. And I don't want my people to be contrary. And cause of your right, you're right. You're right,
So right.
we gonna fight,
We gon' fight.
we gonna fight,
We gon' fight.
we gonna fight,
We gon' fight for our rights.
come on, we're not teaching me,